took me 72 years. I'm 72 now. It took me 72 years to learn to be happy like a child. No, opening out. And you saw the face of all the children, how happy they are, how they radiate the happiness. And regarding the titles, I would like to inverse the whole equations when we speak about shut out and then open out. And actually, open out, through opening out, you are opening in. You are allowing the children, you are allowing yourselves to open in a fantastic world that is within you. So in a way, this open out is a kind of opening in. And in a way, all kinds of shutting out is shutting in. You shut yourself in, you don't go out. So I think the whole message of this kind of adventurous and tentative experiment is so fantastic, and I wish Vaishali and the whole team great days to come, and all the children here, the amazing world they open us for us.